Aren't they pretty? I think they're beautiful. You notice their color? Same color as the dirt in the trees. You know, they're going to disappear forever. That's going to be a tragedy if that day ever happens. Aren't they pretty? And I tell you what, the Soppy River is the other side of the hill, too. We're going to head over there, and over here, too, on this side of the truck, see? Now, you might not know it, but a big group of hippos like this is not called a herd, it's called a bloat. So we're kind of right in the middle of a bloat of hippos. And that's really cool. I see quite that works together to herd fish in the shallow water, and that way they can all catch them.
They're down there.
That's pretty smart for a pelican, you know, it really is. Quit lifting that child up back there, please. Make sure your children are seated, or I will have them removed from the vehicle for their safety. They have to be in one spot, as I instructed. Thank you. So yeah, because they look like they've been splattered with paint. You might not know it, but they're the greatest hunter in all of Africa. A pack of wild dogs catches more prey than all the other carnivores in Africa combined. Everybody loves zebras. What we have here is the rarest zebra. They're called Hartman's mountain zebras. Yeah, there's a male and a female Maasai giraffe in the trees right there on the left. You can see them. Of course, the male's the bigger one. Now, the word giraffe actually means something too. It comes from the Arabic language. Now, I'll tell you a little bit about him. He's got the largest heart of any animal in Africa. His heart's bigger than a basketball. Wow. He's got the highest blood pressure of any animal in the world. And that kind of makes sense if you think. You guys all know that cartoon monkey Rafiki, right? That's him. Yeah. That's what kind of monkey Rafiki is. He's a mandrill. Males get huge. They weigh up to 100 pounds. I guess even they need water. That means there's females around here somewhere. There's females and babies congregate together. Males hang out by themselves or loose-knit bachelor groups. Now, if that's a boy, sad fact. Oh, there's Mom right there.
There she is.
Carotene, everybody. That's vitamin A. That's what turns Mickles pink. Vitamin A. Yeah, I'm glad we found them. All right, but I'll tell you what. We did have good luck. We're actually.
You're going to add this little rounders down the line. You're going to shut the top of his head. And t-shirt is kind of the first one group smaller, larger. And start pretty nice and long, direct out letter J. And you got that little short line over here. Right above the spot where the line needs to just a little bit inside of our shell. We're drawing another one down this way. Direct down.
Signature night blossom. It's the regular night blossom, but it has a chest hair floating in it.
What do you think of the night blossom?
It's good.
Please supervise